So, hallo zusammen. Heute suche ich mal ein bisschen GTA, ein bisschen Story-Modus. Ich muss da schnell das ein Mikrofon ein bisschen umpositionieren. So. Etwa, oder? Ju. Ja, folgende Situation. Wie man hier sieht, habe ich sehr, sehr viele Nebenmissionen und so solche etwas schon gemacht. Sprich, es sind grösstenteils nur eine Hauptmission übrig, weil ja, ich dachte, das spiele ich Gottverdammt schon seit, was haben wir, 5 Jahren spiele ich GTA allgemein. Und noch nie habe ich es geschafft, wirklich 100% bei irgendeinem GTA herzubringen und das werde ich eben jetzt schaffen. Es ist eben immer so Sachen einsammeln, jetzt nicht immer gescheitert. Also Briefschnipsel, Aufverteile und so solche Sachen. Ja. Die nächsten Missionen haben wir beim Solomon Richards und beim Devin Weston. Da ich den Devin nicht gern habe, gehen wir mal zum Solomon. Halt. Was habe ich gesagt? Solomon, was stimmt? Gut, tipptopp. Ja. Sollte man noch irgend so eine hure Gegelkarre haben, hä? Tipptopp, hä? Ah, niemand gesehen. Wenn wir auf einem Mango-Parkplatz haben. Tipptopp.
Hello. Come in, come in. Thanks. You must be Michael.
Mein
I
Amore.
have 3 secretaries. Now I have to make my own coffee and give myself a happy ending. See, the ships are coming in, but the walls will hold us.
Nelson in Naples.
Pluto? I said Mars, you cocksucker.
Shoulder of Orion. 2.
Devin Weston said you were a fan.
Huge fan.
Tell me, Michael. Devin Weston.
Als Arschloch.
Does he want you to bump me off?
No, not at all. He said you were retiring but might need some help on a movie.
Only assholes retire, Michael. Him and my son, they want to put me out to pasture so they can turn this place into condos or a theme park or something.
But this place is a dream factory.
Well, maybe they have different dreams. Some days, I don't blame them. You know, they always say, never work with children or animals. Well, I want to add to that list. Never work with directors or actors. This picture is going to kill me.
All right. So what's it about?
It's perfect. Set in Liberty City. Meltdown. It's all being shot on green screen right out back there. We take a look at the financial crisis, and then we boil it all down into a really simplistic battle between 2 yuppies. With lots of training montages.
So what's the problem?
Milton McElroy. I cast him in the second lead because he's cheap. Zero talent, incidentally. Well, he's got this new agent, Rocco Pelosi. He's been hassling us about renegotiating the deal. So now, he's holding up shooting until he gets paid.
That sounds problematic.
It would be if the director wanted to shoot. Anton Baudelaire. Ever heard of him? That doesn't surprise me. Now he's having a mental breakdown, pissing all over himself who knows where.
All right. Looks like you got yourself that new assistant. But no happy endings.
I love you already.
Also. Gib dich nach Isla Santos raus. Brätschen wir doch den Dach. Das war schon immer da gewesen. Ah, komisch. Das habe ich jetzt noch gar nie gesehen. Ah.
Hey, Solomon. I'm just doing that thing.
Good, good. Now, I realized in my excitement I forgot some details.
Yeah, it seemed obvious. You want this Pelosi guy clipped.
No, God, no. Is that an option? No, no, no. Bad idea, bad idea. No clipping anyone. Just teach him some manners. He's also in my director's ear as well, if you'd believe it. So teach this punk a lesson and bring the talent back to set. Ideally, in a more collaborative mood.
I'll see what I can do. They all gonna be at the club?
I'm told it isn't a club so much as a rat pit. Anton and Milton are supposed to be there, and Pelosi's on the way to pick them up. He's taking them to his lawyer to sign the contracts. So if he hears there's someone from the studio coming, he'll get him out fast.
All right. I'll go in quiet. I'll see you on the set, boss. What is
Hey. Gottverdammt. Ai, ai, ai. Zu einer Scheisslacht hier. Ah, das ist doch die Bride mit der Hure Ellie. Ah, hey, hey. Ah, genau.
Gentlemen, how you like this space? It's gonna be an EDM paradise. There's gonna be sparklers stuck in bottles, implants, tramp stamps, all the real shit. That's Pelosi Entertainment. Now give me a minute here, just a minute. Gotta go grab something inside. Johnny, we nearly got the club. We're finally a go. Now you take care of these guys. No cold feet. Okay? Let's go.
Ah, ja, genau. Oh ja, super schlau. Das zu dem Huren Heli. Oh, Hilfe. Ah, ja, man darf nicht. Ja, genau.
Long as you're getting a paycheck every week, keep at it. If he tries to pay monthly for us,
Oh, you can't be here.
Habe ich etwas mit Schalldämpfen? Das war verdammt knapp gewesen. Also, gehen wir da vorne. Okay. Ja, so klar gewesen, oder? Man selber kann man nicht, ich ist der gross. Gut. Und jetzt?
Trip's over, gentlemen. You're going back to set.
Club ain't open, Snowbird. Who's this jackass?
Ha!
Oh, turns out these guys are in love with their contract. So they'll be going back to the set with me.
Can you believe this fucking clown? No! This guy's all mine!
Ha! Geht's verranzen, du hure Beierese. Bam! Eine komm.
All right, spring hand. New deal. You leave my people alone, and I don't toss you off this roof.
Alright, yeah. Okay? Sure, man, sure.
All right,
Ha!
let's get back to the lot.
Gut. Oi, oi. Schon Lange nicht geflogen in diesem Spiel.
Oh, hey!
Look, you can bully him, but you can't bully talent, buddy. We are not shooting until I get a new deal. Can't bully talent? Just watch me. You're gonna be a good boy when I'm done.
Oh, kein Problem. Tiefflug, aggressiv fliegen, das kann ich.
Can I just say I was just in this for the promise of strong trucks? I don't want a new deal. So much has to be off the show entirely. I've got a feeling you might want to reconsider as well. They're not meant to go this quick.
Mo, sicher. Ich hätte extra Vollgas gegeben.
Put on the brakes, Slick.
Hier.
Enough. All right, I'll do this
Ha!
movie for the shitty money. I'll do anything you want. I'll blow you. And just stop. Okay. See? That wasn't so hard. Now let's get you back to work.
Ha! Pfeifenköpf. Oh, wir werden hier ins Landen.
Hey, Milton, watch. I think you owe an apology to Mr. Richards.
Oh nein, jetzt bekomme ich gleich Hunger.
I know Solomon is anxious to see you.
What a wonderful surprise. Anton, my boy. You're an artist, I know that. And this story is the best kind of art. A simplistic, cliche-ridden pile of dross that you will turn into magic. Get a grip. I love you.
So Solomon, Milton here has a little something he wants to say to you. Say it.
I just want to say that I'm sorry for any misunderstanding, sir, and I appreciate all the opportunities that you've given me.
Of course, of course. Michael, what can I say? You're a natural. I love you.
You're too kind.
No, I mean it. I don't mean to presume. But would it be okay if I gave you a shout? This shoot seems cursed for some reason or another. I need an associate producer.
I'd love that.
We'll talk soon. I gotta go.
Oh, hell yeah.
Ha! Kein Freit. Gottverdammt. Verstanden. Oh, Nummer 5. Ja, lautloser Kill, ja. Sony, gell? Oh, wie sieht's da aus? Ja, Fremde und Freaks haben wir noch gerade ein bisschen sehr wenig. Im Verhältnis. Aber, oh, was war jetzt das gewesen? Aber ja, was willst du, oder? Hey, hallo, der Arsch. Item. Ja, wenn wir zwischenspeichern. 62, 2. 63. Ui. Ah. Hat nicht umgelenkt.
The dead don't drive.
Okay, das war nicht gut gewesen. Oh, der Friedlander, das war ein Arschgesicht. Nein. So. Nee. Nee. Oh je, soll ich das echt noch machen? Das ist die Gego-Mission. Gute Frage. Das ist vom Western, also kann es noch ein scheiß Dreck sein. Ja. Oh nein, jetzt bin ich schon hergefahren. Ah, der halt. Ach, was doch schnell. Ah, ist mit allen dreien, super.
What's going on? You're gonna dress up as traffic cops and you're gonna rob two trust funds.
Oh, yeah.
You know and dislike intensely. Why?
We can get a good price for the vehicles in Asia. Look, complete the work, you'll all be well paid.
You're late, sugar tits.
Yep. So what's going on?
You finally get to realize your childhood dream and dress up as a cop.
Mr. Weston's research team suggests the two boys like to ride on the Sonora Freeway.
Sounds manageable.
Oh nein. Ich weiss, welche Mission das ist. Oi. Wenn es niemand stört, rede ich dann heute ein bisschen weniger, weil irgendwie weiss ich nicht, was ich sagen soll. Und das war schon immer das Problem gewesen, bei diesem Spiel hier im Story-Modus. Oi. Ich glaube, nach dem mache ich noch einen San Andreas Stream, nämlich ich habe mehr Lust auf San Andreas. Michael, Leute, hallo.
Hey, Frank. Hey, I'm nearly with these dudes, man. You guys comfortable on your end?
Yeah, I guess. We look pretty ridiculous.
All right, man. Look, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. We'll pick you up coming through Grapeseed. Get the drivers there and get them going at speed.
Wie das so ein Stream echt Leistung frisst, das ist nicht normal. Scheissdreck.
I'm telling you, 2.7 millimeters.
Hey, how about we see which one of you two is for real? So get in your cars and let's see if they move as fast as your mouth.
Ooh, the fool wants to race us.
We were just getting out of here anyway.
All right.
Ich habe es gestern beim LS so gemerkt, das frisst einfach so verdammt viel Dampf. Aber komischerweise zieht es irgendwie über die CPU, weil GPU ist nicht ausgelastet im Moment. Boah, ist das hässlich. Und mit dem Boost kann ich sie theoretisch überholen. Yes. Ja, sie werden... Okay, da ist schneller als... Okay. Das ist wieder mal ein unfaires Fahren. So wie die Anfangsmission mit dem Lamar, die ist eigentlich unfair. Das war jetzt dumm gewesen. Aber ja. Das kannst du nicht spielen, so. Und dann schauen, was das für ein Problem ist. Aber irgendwie... kann das ja kaum sein, dass nur durch das Streamen so viel Performance gemockt wird. Gut, ich bin natürlich auch auf extrem hohen Einstellungen, aber gleich. Es müsste ja machbar sein. Gut, den habe ich. Aber der wird jetzt sagen, wieder mit Überschallgeschwindigkeit nicht mehr vordonnern. So wie ich ihn kenne. Ah nein, schau da. Hehe. Ja, klar. Ah, wir sind von 140 abgeregelt, oder wie ist jetzt das? Yes. Ha! Hure gut.
Hey, we coming up now, man. Be there in a few seconds. Got it. Whatever. Here they come.
I'll tell you about that later.
Klischee mit diesen Donuts.
They're too far ahead. We gotta catch up to them if we want them to stop. Suspect has entered the Braddock Tunnel. Officer T maintains his pursuit.
Siechen sie schnell.
They can hear the sirens. We got to get close.
How you doing, T? We gotta hang in there.
Es hat fast auf die andere Seite, aber...
Stay on them, T. They'll stop eventually.
Good things come to those who wait.
Aber jetzt kommt dann gerade meine Lieblings-Cutscene vom ganzen Spiel. Und wenn wir sie zum Karren ausschreissen. Ja, würde ja gerne, nur leid funktioniert der Glitch von San Andreas gerade nicht mehr.
As long as we can keep with them, we'll pull this off.
Bei Vice City fange ich dann ein, ist ein komplettes Ding an. Das Let's Play. Weil ich auch nicht, weil der nämlich neu angefangen. Vielleicht noch interessant. Aber ich weiß nicht, wie ich es genau machen will. Es ist recht schwer zum Aufnehmen. Und ich spiele meistens echt relativ lang. Aber ja, ich sehe es, das ist ja gleich.
Okay.
Ah ja, Physikbremse, also gemerkt.
Whoa, hey, stay in the car there, homeboy. I'll deal with you later.
Yeah, fuck you too.
You know how fast you were going?
Gee, I don't know, officer. I try to keep it under the limit.
Well, you and your boys look like you were drag racing from where we were sitting there, so why don't you get yourself out of the car? Come on.
Officer,
Officer,
Is this
officer.
entirely
Yes, it
necessary?
is. Get on. Come on. Hands on the car. Let's go. Come on.
Get out of the fucking car.
hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
doing fucking car.
All right, we got to make sure.
Get out of the fucking car, you pint-sized prick.
You little shit. Get the fuck out of here. God!
Ha! Alle. Ach, sieht man, es passiert, wenn man nicht aussteigen will, was ich sagen.
You talk a good game. Okay, just don't scratch the car.
Speak.
Ah, the lady from before. Devin's assistant. Good to be working with.
Hure Note das.
Schultz, Senior Vice President and General Counsel to Mr. Weston's holding company.
Interessiert niemand.
Working with
Oh fuck.
Well, you're very mistaken. Have you got the cars?
Scheiße.
The whole resume. Yeah, we got the cars.
Bring them to Hayes Auto on Little Bighorn and
Uh-oh.
Mr. Weston and I will meet you there.
Wie schön Vorsprung.
Devin's man-woman lawyer person. I'll be
Oh.
waiting at Hayes Auto in South LS for you idiots to show up.
Oh, Hilfe. Diese zwei Gegner bewegen sich auch absolut unrealistisch, der Dinger.
Hey, look, Devin Weston. He ain't like anyone you worked for before.
Man, he runs his mouth, wants me to boost cars, and most likely gonna be paying me a fraction of what they worth. He don't sound that different, to be honest.
You must know who this guy is. Look him up. He's the real deal. I've seen his house. He can make things happen.
So,
Er ist ein Arschloch.
to you, what you were to me. I see your house. I think this dude can take me places.
Yeah,
Huh.
maybe. Something like that.
What are you holding all your money for? Buy a drum kit. It always cheers me up, just like this music does.
What's your angle, Mike?
What do you mean? Like, how am I gonna beat your ass in this race? Don't worry, I'm taking care of that.
I mean, is it just the smell of green, or is there some other thing with this guy and you? You know, feels funky.
Hey, I'm just trying to do what's best for Frank. You know, help him make the best of the chances he's given.
Hey, if it's about the girl, I saw her first.
Don't get
Ah.
creepy, alright? She's a professional woman who's doing a job. You leave it at that.
No sexual harassment in the workplace, T.
Ah,
I'll watch. I'm serious. Both of you, back off her.
er hat gewonnen.
Gentlemen, I love you all. Oh god, this is gonna be fantastic. One kid and two old creeps. Who the fuck would have thought it?
Gentlemen, move the vehicles.
Hey, gimme 5, 5, and 5. Oh, hey, chest kiss, homie. Boom.
Dog, come on, man. You got the fucking paper?
Abso-fucking-lutely. Look, you finish the job, you get the paper. But the order was for 5 cars. If I'm not mistaken, that's only 2. Just give me the fucking money now. I'm so scared. I really, really am. But you know what? I'm a payment on completion of work type of guy. You don't like the job? Take a fucking walk.
Like, come on, man. Hold on. So what's next, man?
Well, it's the Z-type. Chad Mulligan.
Lay it on him, kid.
Mulligan's a record producer. He's going through a messy divorce. He's hiding his valuable assets, including the car, so that makes it complicated. He'll clock any ground surveillance we run. All we've got to go on is that the car's in a lockup in Howick.
So we just go house to house.
Not quite. We have access to an LSPD helicopter. The computer on board can ID pedestrians from a chip in their driver's license. Find Mulligan and Howick, follow him to the lockup, someone on the ground collects the car.
Alright, so, who does what?
You're not needed for this job. Phillips, you're in the chopper, Clinton, you're on the ground.
Yeah, I don't understand the deal between you two.
Yeah, well, I don't understand the deal between you two either. But you know what? Life is just one long mystery. Bye-bye, gentlemen, and stay spiritual. Oh, and Michael, I'll be in touch about your friend, Solomon.
Alright, good.
Iu. Ah, das ist auch erledigt. So. Ich habe gesagt, das wäre es mit dem Stream. Das war ein bisschen langweilig, aber ja,